Hello everyone, welcome back our channel. Today we will introduce the brand new Autel Robotics drones, Evo 2 8K series. So this is the rugged bundle. It's with the hard case. So this is how load is inside. In the bundle, we got a two battery, hard case, one drone, remote control, and another two pair the spare propellers. So this is all the item inside the rugged bundle combo package. You have two battery, two set propellers, and spare two pair the propellers. Charger. This is the micro USB cable for charging your remote. The manual book, and this is the OTG cable for connected your phone. It's only provide the Type C and the micro USB cable. It doesn't come with the lightning cable for iPhone. So if you need the lightning cable, you have to prepare ready for yourself. Like this. This is the lightning cable to connect the phone from the remote control. So you have to ready for yourself. And the drone, this is the 8K series, 8K camera, and yeah, Evo 2. 12 sensor, a widen sensor, 12. Bottom have 2, side, upper, front, and the back. 12 sensor. With the screen remote control. You no need to connect the phone. You also can see the FPV inside the remote control at here. It will show the FPV in here. So no need to connect the phone to watch the FPV. The remote control button at the front screen, it has 4 buttons here. This is the takeoff and landing power button, post and go home, return home button. And the outside standard, the record button and the photo button, the gimbal adjust and the camera setting here, and the display button. At the back, you have A and B button here. With the rugged bundle, the charger is only provide the standard charger for charging with one battery only, single battery. So if you need the multiple charger hub, you need to buy separately for if you need the multiple charger hub. So this is the multiple charger hub, battery charging hub. This is the separate one. So if you need this, you have to buy separate. So okay, this all inside the rugged bundle. So let me turn on the drone. Before turn on the drone, to show you how to install the propellers. In the propellers, you have the marking. Yeah, one you can see here. This is the marking. One, you have the marking like this, the circle one, the white circle. Another one doesn't have any marking. So inside at the motor here, you can see this is the marking one, the white circle, and here doesn't have any marking. So to install the propellers, for the marking you have to install at the marking side. Without the marking, you have to install without the marking side. To install, it's very easy. Just put it and press and turn. It already show it how to turn with which side for lock. So this is it, how to install the propellers. Open out the gimbal cover, you just put it the button here. You also have show you the picture here, so hope you guys can see it here. Okay, just do it like this. This is the 8K camera gimbal. To install the battery, you can check the battery, click on this button. Full LED means the battery level is full. If the battery level is low, it's like this. The LED is not full. This means the battery level is low. So to install it, the battery, for the pin here, yeah, at the bottom, just like to press it, pull it, press it. This is how to install the battery. Okay, so let's flash. Let's turn on the drone. To turn on the drone, just press and hold the button battery here for 3 seconds. Then turn on the remote, just hold to the power button for 3 seconds until it has the sound beep. let me see the FPV screen inside the drone. So how we can do it? Yeah, you can just press here the display button here, and it will change to the FPV page. So now the FPV page inside the drone here. And I also can adjust the gimbal with the button here. Scroll down, scroll out, and also at here we also can do the setting at the camera. So how to do it? You can use the button here. Just scroll down here. So how to scroll? You can scroll to the setting here. You can see it. So we go to scroll now here. Auto. Again, this is a EV again, so this is a setting here. So how to enter it? Just press here. Then we scroll to setting and press. Yeah, press is the enter. So now you can setting the camera here. You can see the camera mode now is record. The video resolution is 4K. Video frame rate is 60 FPS. So we enter it, change the video resolution to 8K. So enter. Yeah, now it's 8K. And with 24 FPS. The higher FPS for 8K is only 25 FPS in the Evo 2 series, 8K series. So back button is the display. This is the back button. So I click it, it already go up the menu. So I scroll it, go to the second one. This is the aircraft setting. I can setting here, go home altitude. Now is 40 meter high. The speed mode standard. Yeah, this all thing. The distance limit of altitude, speed limit, speed mode. Third is the control. Here you can change the setting, the control setting here. So number 4 is the visual obstacle abandon. Now it's on. You can turn off. Show rider. The last one is the menu. You can change the language to Chinese or English. The unit, stick card here, format. So here is the menu. So let me back again, back to the FPV. So now it's so inside. If you use the control FPV, you can use the intelligent flight like the follow me, the tracking mode, the orbit mode, some feature. You cannot use it if you use only the remote control FPV. So if you need the intelligent flight mode, you have to connect to the phone. So let this connect to the phone. Okay, so now we are inside the Autel Explorer app. You can download the App Store or the Play Store. It's available for Google Play Store and the App Store. Autel Explorer. So now we are inside the main page here. So you can see the below right have connected. That means I am ready to connect it with the aircraft now. At the left hand, the left below, the bottom left, you can see the cloudy. So I tap the cloudy. Yeah, this is today weather. So now you can see the temperature. The GPS signal now is 7 and the wind speed 5.4 km. So here we have camera and the mission. For the mission, that is your mission history or the new mission you're at. So you can do your mission inside here. And now we go to the inside to the FPV page is the camera. Now the drone is without the SD card. I haven't insert any SD card. This is the learning center. Combination the stick will start the motor. The instruction for control. Without the SD card, you cannot record the video. So you can see the icon record here. That have, if I tap to record, yeah, that means there is have the notice. It say no SD card. Please insert the SD card or switch location to the flash card. For the intelligent flight, you can tap the manual flight up there to select your intelligent, the function like the orbit, the gesture control, viewpoint, the tracking, dynamic track, parallel track. The all function is inside here for the intelligent. Go to the setting. Yeah, same. You can setting all here for the go home altitude. The altitude limit is the Autel Evo is different. The altitude limit is 800 meter. For the DJI or the Hudson is only 500 meter height. Yeah, for Autel it is have 800 meter more. So compass calibration you can calibrate here. The vision navigation setting here, remote control, image transmission. For the Autel Evo 2, the channel mode for the Autel Evo is using the 2.4G, not the 5.8G. Aircraft battery. So Evo 2, the battery is using 3S. This is the battery cell here. Yeah. Discharge time, battery details, and the gimbal, the setting of the gimbal. You can calibrate here too. The pitch sensitive, you also can adjust here. And the last, general, the home point. is look from the current remove current position or you can look from the aircraft, the unit firmware version. So this is all the setting here. So we go back to the FPV, and for the Autel Evo 2 app, the Autel Explorer, you can use the speak command here like take off. You can speak to command the aircraft like take off, take photo or video record. You can use the speak command. So this is it for the basic introduce. For next video, we will try to explore for the more things about Autel Evo 2, like the function, like the intelligent flight. All tests will coming soon for the next video. So thank you for your watching. Please subscribe us. Bye.